Hello everyone, Joe the welder is my name. So today we'll be doing our 1F welding position again. So using the same piece that we used last time. So there are some snags here. So I have cleaned the piece. So we'll be doing the full welding, filling these spaces that we have in. So I will be using E6013 3.2 millimeter. So like I normally say, you need a pair of gloves, either this one or this. So the welding helmet, as you can see it, ear defender in case you're grinding or cutting, you need it, and then clear glasses the same time if you're cutting or grinding. The chipping hammer, and then the wire brush. So like I've said, we'll be filling these spaces that we have in. So we'll be using E6013, and so I will be welding from both sides, so melting like this, one and two, one and two, one and two, one and two. So I will try to control my traveling speed so that I can fill all these spaces that we are seeing here. So your traveling speed will give you a good weld. So you have to master your traveling speed when you're welding. So I will do one and two, 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 not like this. So that would be melting from both sides, like I've said. So like I normally say, when you're switching your welding rod, you need to clean. So you can only have the clear route when you control your traveling speed. So like I say, clean your joint before you switch on to another welding rod. So just like I have cleaned this one, then I will do the second one. So I'm switching to the third welding rod. So on my joint, I will go 4 millimeter in front, melt it. So melt it and then bring it down. Then try to feel that joint. So I will go in front, melt it, and then bring it down. So I will switch to my last welding rod. So I will, like I did on the third one, so I will go in front, melt it, then bring it down. So as you can see, this is our weld, very clean, without snags. So you'll have a clean route like this one when you control your traveling speed. As you can see it here, like I told you, 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. So every time you switch your welding rod, clean, then have a joint. Because if you do your joint without cleaning, you'll end up having the snags in between your root. So thank you for watching. Joe the Welder is my name, from Uganda. So let's look at our root. So as you can see it here, is 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So this is a 1F welding position. We'll be doing more like the 2F, the 3F, and then I'm planning to do some assessment on 1G to 3G. So after doing the assessment, I will be sharing more about 1G, 2G, and then 3G.